Hello! Today we are going to have a look at IKEA UPPSPEL, which is a gaming desk made in collaboration with Asus Republic of Gamers and comes in two sizes. One is 140 centimeters times 80 centimeters and the second is 180 centimeters times 80 centimeters. And we will have the latter, two of them to be exact. Which we will assemble first, and then we will try to answer the questions of 1. Are the instructions clear? 2. Does the material feel durable? And 3. Is it wobbly? So let's go ahead to the assembly. Frustration. Done. So that was a workout. So back to the points. Well, here is one table and the other one is right there. And the instructions were clear. Are you hiding there? The instructions were clear. We didn't have to Google anything.
I agree.
There was some issues with entering the screw.
At some points, yeah.
In some places you have to force it, adjust, force. So a little bit difficult, but we managed.
Mm-hmm.
Point 2 was whether the material is durable. So what do you think?
The feet are massive. I don't know if you have shown them yet. Like they are real thick. This is like all the pieces are like a thick metal. So I think the feet are super durable. This is like the typical compressed wood. After some years of use, we can see the wood through the corners there, maybe, but we'll see. It gets some scratches when I like take my nails on the surface, but if I just wipe my hands off, it disappears. So I guess it's quite durable. Just my first impression of how durable it is. Yeah, so one thing I have to comment on, if we come over here, you see this piece, this is like you can hold your cables to this one, and you just put this like bent piece over it, I don't know how good it wants to stay put. Maybe we can put some tape on it or something, but you know, it's only mounted like this, and mine is a little bent, so it doesn't quite fit so good. I can bend it to fit, I hope, but I think if we maybe bump into this with our legs or something, maybe we can, it can fall down. I sure hope we can't do that. But maybe if we fasten some cables to this, it will stick better to the rest of the table, I hope.
Another thing to point out is, as you can see, the sides of the tables are different. Here you have just 90-degree angle, also here, and the other side there. But here you have this angle, making it much more pleasant to sit against the table. And also, all the way here, you have the same angle. So you can choose whether you want to sit against this side or this side. The tabletop fits either way. And also, this controller can be mounted on either of the 4 corners. And now the much anticipated wobble test. So now we have our table at the lowest setting, which is 72 centimeters. And we have also placed a screen right here. And this screen is wobbly. So if the table does wobble, you will see it on the screen. So let's get our wobble helper. Yeah, so we can... You are using quite a bit of force now, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see the screen moving a little bit, but that is not a lot of movement. Looking good. I think that's acceptable, don't you think?
Yeah, very acceptable.
Very acceptable.
I think so.
Let's take it on its highest setting now. It's taking a little while. So 120 centimeters is the highest. Why are you going down? Maybe I didn't press hard enough. There we go. So this is the highest setting, and you're quite tall. So this is the comparison. You're 192 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so the table is tall enough for you to use standing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very comfortable.
That's very nice. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The screen doesn't go into the roof.
No, we have them 2 centimeters maybe.
Okay, so we will hear a bang if it does wobble too much. Are you ready for wobbling?
Yes. Okay, so it's easier to wobble it, like you can see.
Yeah, I can see the table moving. Oh. But that's the feet of the table, I think, that you lifted a little bit.
Yeah.
Making the noise.
I did it too much. It takes some force to move it still.
Yeah, it looks like it does.
But it's a little bit more wobbly on the top. Yeah.
So the reason why we didn't purchase different tables like this at IKEA, because we waited, we saw that IKEA had some electronic up and down type of tables, but we didn't buy them because when we were looking in the store and trying to wobble them, they wobbled a lot.
They were horrible. Like all over the place.
Yes. So when we saw these, we thought that yes, they look a lot more sturdier. The feet look a lot different than the ones that IKEA had from earlier. And they are a lot heavier, I think, and sturdier. So it does wobble, but not a lot. I don't think you're going to spill your water or tea if you bump into the table.
I don't think so.
So yeah, we are very happy with the tables. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please leave a like if you liked it, if you found it a little bit of helpful, hopefully. And also please subscribe to join our techie family, because we would love to have you there. Have a good one!